Hi, this is Manish Behl. As world is fighting global pandemic, everything around us is changing. Organizations, businesses, and even leaders. If COVID-19 has taught anything, it is that leaders and leadership matters. It matters even more in times of major uncertainty when countries, businesses, teams are dependent on their leaders for emotional and financial support. Before COVID-19, business leaders needed exceptional skills in range of areas including communication, negotiation, project management, delegation, and networking. Post-pandemic, these skills are still relevant, though now there are others that are deemed essential. Leaders especially requires empathy and compassion to extend their support in times when companies lay off employees, deadline in work from home, or calling employees to in-person office. Coronavirus has shaken the nature of work to its core. As economies recover, the threat of renewed wave of coronavirus remains. Uncertainty will stay with us for many months. While the crisis is frightening and tragic, it also offers valuable lessons. Around the world, companies that are bringing together the head, heart, and hands are seeing the gains. Standout leaders have ensured employees have felt supported and taken care of throughout last 2 years. One such example is CEO Mark Aslett at Mercury Systems in US, who has received strong praise for his leadership according to employee feedback on Glassdoor. He has risen to the top of the list at 95% leadership score based on outstanding feedback from employees on how well taken care of they felt during COVID-19. Sharing 3 important points leaders can refer to as a new normal. Point number 1, empathy and flexibility. One of the most important leadership qualities at any time. These qualities are even more essential in order to keep teams engaged and motivated in times of stress and distress. Successful organizations depend on leaders who are as empathetic as they are capable. Point number 2, honesty with people. Research shows that the workers feel less informed by their employers. But in unpredictable time like this, transparency is essential. As employees feel unprepared for the same, honesty can manage difficult times. Creating a transparent work environment helps put employees at ease, explaining how situations and disasters can be planned to handle. Point number 3, becoming a successful leader. To be successful requires leaders to let go of their expertise and enable others to grow. Their position is of influence, not of power or fear. Success comes from being able to create a container that allows people to perform. Crises like the one we are facing today forces businesses and their leaders to change and adopt at extraordinary speed. Those that can filter out the noise and can focus on what truly drives the success, leading with head, heart, and hands will emerge stronger than ever.